Hi everyone, it's Dennis back again, the Garage Railway. My task for the weekend was to get the old turntable out to fix Locomotech motor. Had a Pico motor on it, but just didn't work right. So I got the Locomotech motor, and it is a lot better and quieter. Let's get it going. Very slow. You can speed it. I got it working off my Gauge Master controller, but you can speed it up. But nice and slow, and it is a lot quieter. Very happy with it. Very happy indeed. To get the old turntable out to fix it all, what I done was cut the old rails, slid them out, and then lifted the table out, slotted the new ones back in, and all works beautiful. Had to take it out. Can't see properly there, to glue it all on the table, but I'm very happy with it. Wasn't impressed with the Pico motor, didn't work properly. This one works wonders. And the other part of my weekend work was doing some more scenery here. Everything come Friday, so I could get on with everything. The building, the road, repainted the old lorries. So I've had a busy weekend. The wife was at work, so I could come out here and finish tomorrow. If you like, please tick the box, subscribe, and thank you for, as I'm new on here, my subscription's going up. Thank you very much to those that have subscribed. Any comments, which I've been getting, good ones, thank you very much. If you'd like to comment, appreciate. Thank you very much. See you again soon. Thank you. Bye.